Hi there. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use a wire gauge. When you're purchasing a wire gauge, the thing that's important is that you want to buy one for non-ferrous metals if you're looking for this for jewelry purposes. The ferrous metals have different thickness than the non-ferrous metals, so you'll want to make sure that you pay attention to that part. American Standard, it just shows you that for each one of the corresponding slots, so for like 30 gauge is actually 0.01 of an inch in thickness. And so it just depends. Sometimes you can, having that decimal can be help out with math and that kind of thing. But when you have some material that you want to know how thick it is, what happens is that you try to fit the material into the slot. And so you're looking for the slot that is the smallest one that the wire fits in. And so by slot, I don't mean the hole in here. I mean the space in between the two little tangs that creates the slot that corresponds with 16. So see how I could fit that in 16, but I can't fit it in 17. That tells me that this is 16 gauge wire. And so when you're doing sheet, there's just a little strip of it here, but sheet you're trying to figure out thickness. And so when you have thickness, you're looking to see which slot again does it fit into. And so that fits into 19. It also fits into 20. It's a pretty snug fit in 20. And it does not fit into 21. That tells me that this sheet is 20 gauge. And then for jump rings, if you're trying to do a gauge on jump rings, you don't want to try to come at it from the on the curve like this. When wire is curved, or even sheet is curved for that matter, it can change how the thickness is read because it's not an even. Because the metal is curved, the surfaces are not even. So you want to put it into the slots in a way that the surfaces are even, like this. And so that doesn't fit into 18, it doesn't fit into 17, but it does fit into 16. And so that tells me that's a 16 gauge jump ring. And so then you could measure the inner diameter, which would be the inside edges or the outside edges, to get the details. So now you can measure all of your metals. This is a very handy tool to have. Thanks so much for watching our presentation. If you would like to continue learning how to make jewelry with Jennifer Hanscom, please subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to provide comprehensive project-based jewelry instruction with a focus on using hand tools and small equipment so you can enjoy making jewelry right from your home. If you would like more information, visit our website at www.jewelryclasseswithjen.com.